In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin Crypto. By the end, you'll be comfortable finding any cryptocurrency on Koyfin, opening its price history, comparing it with other tokens, and layering on common technical indicators, all in a clear, repeatable workflow. Start by heading to the search bar at the top of Koyfin. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press the / key to pop open the command bar instantly. In the search field, type the crypto ticker or the full name, BTC for Bitcoin, ETH for Ethereum, or SHIB for Shiba Inu all work. As soon as you see the match in the results, click it to open that asset's overview page. This page is a quick snapshot, but our main goal is to move into a deeper chart view. Next, open the historical graph, labeled with the letter G. You can use the shortcut G to jump there quickly. This view shows the crypto's price over time, so you can see long-term trends and short-term moves at a glance. Take a moment to orient yourself. Price on the vertical axis, time across the bottom. This perspective helps you recognize patterns and context before you add anything else. Now let's enhance the chart. Look for the +Add Metric button. This is where Koyfin shines. First, you can add other assets to compare on the same chart. For example, if you're on Bitcoin, search for and add Ethereum to see how they've moved relative to each other. Overlaying multiple assets can highlight divergence, correlation, and leadership during different market phases. From that same +Add Metric menu, you can also add technical indicators, just like you would with stocks. Common choices include moving averages, which smooth price action to reveal the trend, and RSI, the Relative Strength Index, which helps identify momentum shifts and potential overbought or oversold conditions. Use these indicators to confirm what your eyes see on the price line, rather than relying on a single signal. Finally, adjust your timeline to hone in on the period you care about. Use the quick ranges like 1M, 6M, 1Y, or Max to zoom in and out. Shorter ranges are great for spotting recent volatility and breakout attempts, while longer ranges highlight bigger cycles and structural trends. Switching between them helps you connect the day-to-day moves with the bigger picture. That's the essential flow. Search your crypto, open its historical graph, enrich the view with comparable assets and technical indicators, and then use the timeline to get the right perspective. With this routine, you'll be able to evaluate any coin's performance clearly and confidently on Koyfin.